Alright, let's talk a little bit about scripting. Scripting can do things like create light, where you can click and turn light on and off. This particular light is just with the texture, but scripting can have this fish swim around the head and create the bubbles that is in the salvage tank here. What we're going to do is I'm going to show you just some basic scripting. Mostly what is used with scripting are pose balls, where you sit or you dance or you do some type of a thing when you make contact with an object. So let me go up to World, Sun, and we're going to do midday, or the shortcut key Control-Shift-Y. And over here, this balloon that you're going to find in the office area is scripting content. So you click on the balloon, and there's an actual script in here, and the script gives you the content. So you select Keep when you get that content, and it'll verify that you have the content. And into your inventory you'll go. The best way, if you have a lot of content, is to go to your Recent. Recent shows me that folder, Scripting Content for CSA 149. In here is the Give Content script that says delete me, but you can always keep this for your own records. Maybe you want to create something to give objects away in. There's also a basic scripting script. This is an actual script, the basic script, default script, and it describes some of the information in here. It describes that you have to start with a default state. It has to have another state within some curly brackets, and then it has to have an event that tells you what to do and all that good stuff. But the little orange lines here, when you see two slashes and lines, those are comments to help guide you on what the scripting is. So let me just close this one up. Then you'll find a pose from web. The reason I say that is I found this actual script right here on the internet. So it's a pose script from the web. One thing, if you do find scripts on the web, you might want to copy the text and paste them into a notebook or WordPad. This will take out all the HTML coding that can get inside of those that will cause it to not work as it should. Also in here is a animation. And this animation, if you double click on it and play in world, this is an animation I created for the Spring 2009, and you're going to actually create a pose ball with the pose script and this animation, and we're going to just guide you through that. So let me just close out of here now. And last but not least, the note card, pose ball note card. So it gives you directions. You're going to create a pose and add it to a chair or to whatever. You can add it to a mushroom, a tree, a hat, a stool, whatever it is that you choose to add this animation to. And it's just to help you. You're going to select the build twice in the upper. That's build, build, or use the shortcut key Control-B. You will select a sphere. You'll rename that sphere Poseball 2011. Poseball _ 2011. In the click, in the click to options, that's over here. Let me go ahead and res a sphere. In the click to options, select Sit on Object. That's what that means right there. In the click to option, and some people think that doesn't sound really good. So, they're a little confused, so that's what it means. Select Sit on Object. Then you're going to move to the Object tab and change the size. Notice the decimals. You're going to change the rotation. You're going to navigate to the Content tab, and it tells you exactly what to add into the Content tab. While still in the edit mode, you want to make sure Build Scripts, Recompile Scripts in Mono is selected. That means to come up to Build Scripts, Recompile Scripts to Mono. That's what that means. It just helps everything to run clean and causes less lag on the sim. Then, in the sit of the target is off, change the number, then you're going to sit on the ball. You're going to think, because I changed the word to think. Then you're going to sit, and if it's off, you're going to change the numbers on line 27. So I'm just going to do a quick little thing here and show you how that looks. We have our sphere. It's going to tell you to change the size. I don't remember what the size is, so I'm just going with this size right here and leave those as they are. In the content, it tells me to drag the pose from web, drag the 2010. I'm still in edit mode. Build Scripts, Recompile to Mono. I'm going to right click, think. Yep, it looks like my pose ball works pretty well. So I can now take that pose ball into my inventory and possibly use it for maybe a final exam in case I have to create a chair or something like that. Have fun with it.